Package includes USB to Type-C power cable, air outlet fixing clip, USB to Type-C adapter, car air purifier and manual. Align the air outlet fixing clip on the back of the car air purifier and snap it into place. Pick up the power cable. Plug the Type-C end into the car air purifier. Connect the power cord to your car's USB socket. For first use, press the bottom button to open the product. It features auto on auto off via air conditioning airflow. No need to. When the product starts to work, the surface of the oxygen ionizer will emit blue light. Simply align the retaining clips on the back of the product with the automotive fan blades and snap into place and you're done. Refer to the video shown.